Annie's journey to Qatar and Singapore don bring serious kitty and katakata between Two-Face Idibia and Honourable Natasha Ossowaro Orobosa. Hey, my beautiful and amazing people. Hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Hey, no be small matter dey happen, no be small thing as e dey hot. Una already know say for this very channel we no dey bring fabu na latest of all legit na we dey carry. Before I go cap una, because I know say all of una dey very much ready to listen to this story wey dey for ground. Hey, see our beautiful Queen Annie's journey to Singapore and Qatar wey don dey cause serious gbas between two lovers wey yarn wetin dem yarn wey dem no hack their account. But before I go cap una the legit, my people, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where una dey watch me from and at the hour una take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, una face show, una shoe shine, una own no go ever fit spoil, and una no go ever see the one wey go make una start the wrong kitty. Start the wrong kata for inside life by the special grace of God Almighty. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remain una humble girl Gifted Gist. I mean they bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name to beg una. Make una dey help us to subscribe. Hit on the notification bell so that they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. Hey, my beautiful and amazing people. Una know say now for inside this April 10 last month, na Annie Macaulay come post a journey of Annie's journey for her platform, where she dey call people say make dem come join her. According to her write-up then, she say, "Come with me on an amazing trip, a luxury wellness retreat and rediscovery group vacation to Qatar and Singapore." Now how she take talk am that year, say na a rediscovery retreat and wellness luxury. Say make people come, make dem join together as group, enter Qatar and Singapore. Say it's gonna be fun. Say so many people don book their ticket. So many people don book am. E don dey almost dey finish. Say make people rush, make dem come buy so that they go this journey together. My people, una know say as Annie finally come out from rehab, when she come see the yama wey Two-Face do for her, wey the abandonment wey Two-Face abandon her at her vulnerable moment when she need Two-Face. Minutes, hours wey she need Two-Face to be around, even if you wan do bye, you suppose give her small chance, make she fit dey alright before im go yarn wetin im yarn. But when she dey for hospi, na Two-Face come out come yarn wetin im yarn. According to information, say no be the yarn wey Two-Face yarn na im pain Annie. Say the one wey pain Annie pass na the fact say they say for some while now they already separate with Two-Face. They say they no go do again, they no go do again. Then they can't agree within themselves say, if we no go do again, abeg make it dey outside social media, because you know say social media na place where we say to drag person, you know, they hard, and I am not ready for this dragging. When I make, they still they endure themselves all the while they come. This one go do, this one go do, this one go say I no go do again, this one go say I no go do again. But still they cannot leave each other because of fear of the unknown, fear of say if people hear them, how it go be. Now make they no gree leave themselves, they still they patch and they come. As it don't reach time where they don't tire for each other, they say they no go do again. Finally, they don't made up their mind. The both of them don't make up their mind. But because of say they no go come be enemy of themselves, they just got to understand themselves and settle their differences. Now Annie contact Two-Face, according to the information, say abeg, no one if we go separate, but make it no be social media separation. Make we just do am on a low, make everybody go in way. They say Two-Face say in don't hear. As Annie take the one where she take, final, he land her for rehab. Even she no know where she did. Thinking say Two-Face go dey with her at that vulnerable time. Now Two-Face, based on say in dey with Natasha, and wetin Natasha talk, now in they do. Natasha come tell am say she no fit do secret relationship Im go gat to come tell the world wetin dey sup, say tor dem no dey again and im don get another person. Because if una check am well well, na immediately wey Two-Face talk am say dem dey work on their divorce process, e no tey na im still come out again come yarn wetin im yarn, say im don get another person and the person name na Natasha. She is a good woman, she is this, she is that, she is hardworking, she knows what to do, how to do and when to do this one, that one. E say a lot, which shows that truly na Natasha na im tell am say she no wan, because as Gistlover bin come out come tell us say na Natasha na im dey push Two-Face to do the things wey im gat to do, because im and Annie bin don agree, and based on the small love wey im get for Annie, e agree to keep am secret, make dem just separate in peace, so that e no go affect. Na maybe say na people just dey speculate, you understand? Maybe say na people just dey say, e be like say dem dey, e be like say dem no dey, I no dey see dem again, I no dey see ring for Annie hand, e be like say Two-Face na only him I dey always see now for show, if dem invite Two-Face now, e no dey carry im wife again, or no that kind thing. So at least if na speculate, people dey speculate, e no go really hit the way e hit like that. But no, Natasha tell am say lie, according to Gistlover, say no, she no want her like that. She no want her own make e dey silent. If e favour Annie, e no favour her, because she be honourable, representing the people of Agor, and she need to make them proud. So that kind thing, she no want secret marriage. Say her marriage is gonna be loud. So for that reason, na wetin she promise herself. If Two-Face no go fit give her wetin she promise herself, let them forget about it. Na dey say Two-Face say lie o, that the one wey go lose for both sides, e better make him, since he and Annie no dey, e better make him come yarn wetin him yarn, make him no come, make nobody hack in account say na him dey yarn. E come out, come yarn finish, come reveal the secret, say see as e be, see who he wan marry next. Now as Annie hear all those things put together, as she return, I know say she no talk, she no do anything, she concentrate, face her life, dey do the things wey she dey do. Funny enough, as God may have it, being the fact say her leg no cut, her hand no cut, nothing dey do her, and thank God say she don dey come back to herself small, even if not 100% okay, but at least she is becoming okay gradually. Because normally that one no be once e dey go. But if she know the value of health, she know the value of her children, she know the value of herself, she go need to stop am. So if she stop am and give am some time, she will definitely heal permanently. And as e be, una already dey see am say omo, she don dey heal, no be say na go come. Now na dem come say Two-Face come go buy the ticket wey Annie dey sell. You know say no be she dey sell am, she don already refer people to go to branches where they go buy. If you wan go Qatar, if you wan go Singapore, return flight ticket, luxury hotel in Qatar, like she advertise everything wey go happen for there. Come also write the money of how much wey each, if you wan go Qatar only, how much wey e go cost. If you wan go Singapore only, how much wey e go cost. So now you know how many wey you wan go, so you summon the money together. Presidential, Qatar and Singapore, she talk how much wey e be. Come talk say, see the business line wey you go call and see where you go book your, see the DM wey you go book am, which is Dubai Africa. Now you go book am and see their phone number, see their WhatsApp number and everything. Meaning say no be she dey in charge of to collect money or for the booking. Now they say Natasha finally go see the ticket for inside Two-Face bag without telling Natasha. Say im wan go journey with Annie. Hey, my people, no be small thing o. Say Two-Face go behind her back, go buy the ticket without telling Natasha. When Natasha come find out, omo, no be small kitty and katakata o. Say what the hell? Say why on earth im go buy the ticket without telling her? And who tell am say im go Qatar journey with Annie? Wetin im dey go find with Annie again for this thing? Because na journey with Annie, na she be the group leader, na she dey in charge of the stuff, na she get her thing, na she dey in charge of am. So even though she dey run advert for this thing for them, she go got to be there. You understand? She will definitely be there because that her journey, and people no go come by because of her. They no go come see her. So Dubai Africa na then get the this thing. She dey only dey do influencing job to influence people and to do advert, make people buy so that they go the journey with her. My people, now they say Natasha start with Two-Face. So they start, they do kitty kitty, they do kata kata. Say why on earth? And who tell her say if he even buy the ticket without her? He no tell her, he no buy for her, nothing. Say if to say she no find out for inside in bag, now so in for whisk away, go meet Annie. Abi. Now they say Two-Face come they do based on say he dey guilty, he no know wetin he go talk. Una know say ever since this incident happen, Natasha never give Two-Face any breathing space to dey on his own, get him own say for inside matter, or to talk on his own as the man of the house. Like na Natasha become the man of the house according to the information wey dey reach us. Say na Natasha na im get say, na she dey talk the go, na she dey talk the come. Two-Face that to just dey do wey make information reach us say Two-Face na house help na im dey do, na errand boy na im be for Natasha, because any message na im dey go. But I no believe that 100%, because if na any message na im dey go, Natasha for no dey follow am up and down, and fear of say if she send Two-Face message, Two-Face fit go, e no go come back, so she no go even try to send am that kind message. Because of inferiority complex, she dey fear say if Two-Face go now, maybe they fit come go put her yans, he go leave her. Or if Two-Face go now, if he come run go meet Annie, or if Two-Face go now, if he go do one thing, she no fit ever send her that kind of message. So that is why I dey debunk that one wey circulate the social media say Two-Face na messenger na im be now for Annie. I no gree for that one, because Natasha na errand boy e be for Natasha. I no believe that one, because Natasha no wan give am space at all, make him even breathe, or even mess, make him mess sound for where who born Two-Face. My people, na im dey say Natasha say how much will be the money of the ticket. Before you know, they say Natasha tear ticket. Two-Face come provocate, he come show the man in him, say why Natasha go tear the ticket. Now Natasha ask am say if only him go tell her the truth, wetin dey prompt am say him wan go this journey to Qatar and Singapore, journey with Annie. If only him go tell her the truth, say she no go, she go buy am another one. Now they say Two-Face say he no get any reason, he just won't go because he won't just move comot for Nigeria, go small holiday, make him fit see other places, make him fit journey, because they say things and things will happen for that journey. Now she say, okay, you want to go and apologize to Annie, you want to go and do this, you want to go and do that, because information they reach us say Two-Face all the while is still they find way where him go take go close to Annie. But Annie on the other end, they try all her best too not to go close to him. You know, say they say once a lover is always a lover. Una see ex matter. Anybody will love in ex, make una no allow am go near in ex, so because una no go know how come ex go turn to new again. X go come turn to renew. You know, go be X again, go come be W. So Annie, they try to avoid Two-Face all the while. And if you go that journey now, know how way you go take avoid that, where she go take avoid them. Definitely they must see, because now she be the coordinator and she dey in charge. Now journey with her, so you no go fit avoid them. So that way, Two-Face they look for a way to go find Annie, make them fit settle their differences. Even if they no go marry again, whether in one user do side chick, I been na wetin be Two-Face reason we make am dey find Annie kitty kitty, they find Annie kata kata. Now only God na him know. The other day he dey provocate, say why Annie go comot whisk Idibia comot for her name. Why she no go whisk am comot wey be say una no dey again? Wetin she dey keep am for? Wetin on earth she dey keep am for? There's nothing she's keeping it for. So definitely it is not a bad idea if she remove the name from her name, which shows that she is done. So that one see the pepper am for body, whether he won't go tell her make she put him name back, maybe they do it in the hidden, whether maybe if they far from each other the relationship go work, or wetin make him dey find Annie up and down, na only God na him know. Now Natasha don't come scatter the egg for him hand. egg don scatter, e dey for ground. According to Natasha, she say Two-Face is going nowhere. She don tear Qatar and Singapore ticket, say Two-Face no dey go anywhere. No be small kitikiti dey say dem do. Shebi dem talk say Annie na warrior lord, na she be. She dey fight am, she dey do dis. Im brother come out say na God save Annie, say dem once upon a time when dem do their kitikiti with Two-Face, Annie carry the thing wey dey take tear body, take tear Two-Face, wey be say e almost kpai, dem almost carry the matter go police station. Na Two-Face na im talk say make dem no go, say na im wife, no matter what, she still remains his wife. This one, that one. They say no be small thing na im happen between Two-Face and Natasha on that particular day. When e wan tear am, say no be small dragging wey dem drag. Natasha wey get one bone, the two of them with Two-Face, I no come know who get one bone pass. Na so that same thing wey her ex-husband see, the man wey she born one pikin for, wey im see, wey im tell Two-Face, na exactly those things na she dey exhibit. E say if Natasha hold you, forget the love put together. But Two-Face let am know, talk say lie, say na him be puna mechanic. Nobody in puna wey im dey knack, im dey make sure say im put sugar for inside im thing. If im don knack am finish like akpaku, e knack am galang, na dem go dey obey am. But im no know say Natasha own case no obedience for there o. Nothing obi for inside the dance. So nothing like that. They go still chop the akpaku, knack the galang, and wetin go happen go still happen. Na they say no be small kitikiti. They say Two-Face come dey regret say wetin be all this one. Im run say we arrange the place, later scatter it again. Na im talk am. Say they don arrange place, they later scatter am, he and Annie. Now e run leave person wey dey arrange and scatter, come go enter the most scattering of all scatterer. My people, make una pray o, make una pray for Two-Face. We no dey pray make e scatter. Nobody dey pray make e scatter, but make im dey very, very prayerful. Now ticket worth how many millions e don go on top of waiting. I no gree. They say na I no gree, na im dey tear pint o. And like this, so e don finally tear the pint. Two-Face now, e don enter inside the one wey e enter o. Nothing like comot o. Na many. Nothing like comot. Desperado. She don hold am tight. My brother, my sister, I don turn musician overnight. My people, wetin una take for inside this matter? Wetin una think say be the issue wey Natasha dey fight Two-Face? And wetin una think say e go fit settle this matter wey dey for ground? Because omo, no be small drama na im dey for ground o. Qatar dey no go, drama e dey for ground. They say Annie na warrior lord. Shebi Two-Face don see warrior lord again, abi im never see? My people, make una come chook mouth for inside this matter as e don turn to national case. Make una do well to give this video a massive thumbs up. Help us to share the like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.